Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. By 14-inch canvas, I haven't managed to cover the sides with, but I don't think I care. I would like the best top to show up. I'm going to do a swipe, and I'm going to use a base layer of a bunch of different things, I think. Starting with Anita's white metallic. I've been thinking about doing something kind of wild and out of the ordinary for a while. This is Decor Americana 24 karat gold. It's already kind of cool. Let's go to the other side. I thought I might use some black in there, but I'm not sure that that's the case. I am going to use a little more white though. It's Anita's white metallic, I think I said. I have no idea exactly what I'm doing, but I've been thinking about adding a bunch of lines across a swipe for a while now. And I really like Frozen. Not that I think it really is the first best choice to go with the Decor Americana 24 karat gold, but it's okay. I haven't used any, and I used to love this wild orchid. Feels like it's been sitting for a while though. I want a darker blue, and I've got blue flame, but I've also got an indigo, perfect indigo. I want to save some of the white spots for some Dancing Fuchsia. Why don't I just do this? Hopefully the Dancing Fuchsia will be the red I'm searching for, but I've got some Hollyberry added to some Crimson Lust, and that might be, no. I think if I'm going to go that route, I'm probably going to use the pink carnation. This is Ginger Flower. This is Dancing Fuchsia. You can see I'm putting it on the white areas. I thought I could get away without any orange crush, but I'm not sure that's the case. I'm going to use some Whispering Wisteria. And I've got a tangerine, which is made with sour lemon and hollyberry and or Dancing Fuchsia, probably both. Try not to get it too close to the blue, although I think it's kind of a moot point. It's either going to work or it's not. I'm going to go easy on that. I'm trying to convince myself to go saffron, and maybe I will. This is Orange Crush. Kind of liking the painting without doing anything to it, to tell you the truth. Still being called to something like Midnight Shadow, and I think I'm going to look for it right now. Either that or I've got the blue flame. I haven't used that yet, I don't believe. It's really dark. So it's the blue flame or the blue velvet. And I've got blue flame handy. There isn't a lot left, that's the only problem. Yeah, I like that. I may run out, but I like it. Now, the only purple I haven't used is the African Violet, and I have some of that out. I kind of want a turquoise. That Frozen was supposed to supply me with my turquoise fix. I've got Mistique. Alright, it's time to swipe. Is it really? I said I was going to do the pink carnation, but what I'm really thinking right now is tickled pink. I really, really love this pink color. It zhuzhes everything up. And it's definitely time to mix some more of that as well. And if I want more, I'll add more. Now I've got a card and I've got a OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Swipe Tool. I think I'm going to take what's left of my black cell activator and this funky rounded ended piece of card and maybe the cobalt turquoise as well. I've got to mix some gold cell activator, I really do. So there's a good dip. There's some nice cells. Maybe I need a scrape dish. And what I'll do with the scrape dish, if there's nothing impeding my progress, is just use a rubber silicone brush to clean it off. Oh, I really like that. I want one on the other side though. I hope I have enough black cell activator, but I do have purple as a backup. And I used to have a second bottle of it somewhere. I'm not sure where it's gone though. How far will I get? I can always use the turquoise. I'm going for something in the center. Makes a difference how much cell activator you use, it really does. I tend to think that more is better. I'll leave that on its side in case I need to drain it. It's an interesting concept. I haven't tried this exact configuration before. kind of figuring if they wind up looking like dancers, then the strands on the bottom are going to look like legs, and I'm not sure what the top is going to look like other than streamers. Maybe it's a party. I think I have room for another one in here. I might leave some stuff behind. That's what it's looking like. Either that or you find a really skinny card. Drag my fingernail right through there. And I'm going to do it again without the fingernail this time. That's better. I think I need a straw though. How much more do I need? I think I need something in here. And then I've got my scribblings in my dish. My residuals. I could do something with them maybe. Alright, here goes nothing. Can't believe I didn't use any turquoise cell activator. Can be a foot, or if I move it out, something else. I'm kind of thinking, take my silicone brush and drag some lines up and see what happens with that. Not sure. Definitely a party. The residuals get kind of mucky. Shouldn't really try and do anything specific, because usually after I'm done I watch the video back and I see things I could have saved that would have been cool to keep. But it does look like people in a crowd to me, so that's pretty cool. And I'm going to torch really quickly and call it good, because it was fun. And that one spot is kind of bugging me. What am I going to do with that one spot? Maybe I can take some of my residuals. Take some of my residual cell activator. Make sure it's not too heavy. And do just a partial. Kind of like that yellow tangerine there. Getting fussy. I get the feeling I should not. I always want to teach myself how to make it look like people, even though I'm doing it by accident every time I do it. I've got a schmutz here. going to use my paint. Because I can. And then I'm going to clean up. Alright, torching coming right up. I'm really tempted to do something with this right here. The least I can do with it is break it up with some other paint. Maybe blow it out a little bit. I keep hearing the call to spiral. But I want to keep it to a minimum. And I want to throw a few dots in. Just because I really am a huge fan of dots. Oh, that was a twofer. I got rid of a bubble as well. And unfortunately the pink will probably dry. On the black it will dry kind of dark. There, I camouflaged that thing that was bugging me. I got rid of a large negative space, piece of negative space that was drawing my eye, and I'm happy about that. Not sure what I'm doing here. Hopefully I'm not blocking your vision, and I bet I am. Trying to make them as random as possible. They're not supposed to signify much of anything except for fun. Oh, I love that orange there. I don't want to mess with it too much because there isn't very much. I thought I was going to add more and then I did not. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.